Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to turn off Windows Defender. All right, this is basically applied to all Windows. So I'm just going to be very quick about this, and it will be very simple. All right, so all we have to do is come to our search Windows bar. Okay, if you're using Windows 8 or Windows 7, I think you know where your search bar is. I think Windows 8, you have to find it around here. Windows 8 or 8.1, you find it around here at the right hand side. While Windows 10, you get it here. Okay, so we just have to search for Windows Defender, and there we have it. Click on it, and this is it. Our real-time protection here is on. Our Windows Defender is on, so we want to turn it off. Okay, so from your Windows Defender, all you have to do is look for your settings. Click on settings. It will take you directly to your Windows Defender settings. Alright, but for Windows 8 and Windows 7 owners, you can actually just do the same thing. Okay, this is for Windows 10. Alright, so all we need to do here is just to turn this off. Click on it and it will go off. Alright, and once it's off, you get a notification from your Windows that your virus protection is turned off. Tap or click to turn on Windows Defender. Alright, and for you to confirm it, you see a red notification here telling you to turn on your Windows Defender. Okay, spyware and unwanted software protection. Alright, this is just basically it. It's off. Okay, now you have to be very careful guys, because your Windows might be actually unprotected from virus. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching. If you actually like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.